بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. النهاردة إن شاء الله هناخد dividing by decimal. Dividing by decimal. When we divide the decimal number to the decimal number, we remember that this is the dividend, the divide symbol. Here the dividend, here divisor, and the result is quotient. So, when the divisor is a decimal number, we will change the decimal number to the whole number. So, when the divisor is a decimal number, we must change the divisor to the whole number. We take the example to show that. Example 32 divide 0.4 equal. We must change the divisor to the whole number. When we change 0.4 to the whole number, we must multiply it with 10. So, when we multiply the divisor by 10, we must multiply the dividend by 10. So, (32 multiply 10) divide 0.4 multiply 10 equal 32 multiply 10 is equal 320 divide 4 that's equal 80. 32 divide 0.4 is equal 320 divide 4 and equal 80. Another example to show this. Example 42.42 divide 0.7 equal. So we must change the divisor to whole number. So we will multiply it in 100. And we must multiply the dividend into 100. This is equal 42 divide 7 equal 8 equal 6, sorry, equal 6. Another example 2.72 divide 0.8 equal. We must multiply the divisor to the whole number. So we must multiply it to 10. And when we multiply the divisor by 10, we must multiply the dividend by also 10. So this is equal 27.2 divide 8 equal, we make the divide to 7.2 divide 8. 27 divide 8 equal 3. 3 multiply 8 equal 24. Subtract that, so this equals 3. The point put to the up and 2 move to the bottom. This is 2. So 32 divide 8 equal 4. So the result is 3.4. That's the result. Okay, another example. (14.1) divide 1.41 equal, we must change the divisor into whole number. So we must multiply this divisor 100. This is 2 decimal places, so this is by 100. Multiply by 100. When we multiply the divisor by 100, we must multiply the dividend by 100. So we multiply this by 100. So that's equal 1410 divide 141. So this equal 10. This is the result. Another example. (29.76) divide 6.4 equal, we must change the divisor to the whole number. So we multiply this divisor by 10. This is 1 decimal places. And when multiply the divisor by 10, we must multiply the dividend also by 10. That's equal 297.6 divide 64. 64 is the big number. We will make the table of the 64. 64 multiply 1 equal 64. 64 multiply 2 equal 128. 64 multiply 3 equal 192. 64 multiply 4 equal 256. Oh God. 256. 64 multiply 5 equal 320. 64 multiply 6 equal 384. So we make the divide. Question in the left. So we make the divide. 297.6 divide 64. We take 2 digits with 2 digits. 29 divide 64 it equals 0. And we take the 7. 297 divide 64 equal 4. 4 multiply 64 equal 256. We make the subtraction. That's equal 41. This is the decimal point. Put it to up. And move the next number to the down. So put 6 in it. $416 divide 64 is equal 6. 6 multiply is equal 6. Good. 6 multiply 64 equal 384. Subtract that equal 3.2. We can put 0 to make this divide. So 320 divide 64 is equal 5. 5 multiply 64 is equal 320. We subtract that is equal 0. So the result is 4.65. We can write the result to this is equal 4.65. 5. This is the result. Last example, 3 and 1 over 8. Divide point 1 to 5 equal. We know 0.125 is equal 0.125 is equal 1 over 8. So we can make the equation like this: 3 and 1 over 8 divide 1 over 8 and make the dividend of the fraction. So we can change the mixed number to the fraction number. That's equal 3 multiply 8 equal 24. 24 plus 1 equal 25. Divide 8 over 8. Divide 1 over 8 equal 24 over 8. Multiply, change the divide to the multiply and make the flip of the next term. 8 over 1. So we simplify that. Divide 8 equal 1, divide 8 equal 1. That's equal numerator with the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Is this equal 25? This is the result. We finish this lesson. اتمنى ان شاء الله ان انتوا تكونوا فهمتوا الدرس. اللي عايز اي اسئله ممكن ان هو يسالها لي في التعليقات وانا هجاوبها وهبعتها لكم على الايميل او على اي حاجه. المهم هعرف اتواصل او هجمع كل الاسئله اللي انتوا مش عارفينها واعمل لكم فيديو بيها. واشوفكم المره الجايه ان شاء الله، والسلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته.
إن أعجبك الفيديو لا تنسى الإعجاب والاشتراك في القناة.